What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. Today I got some different perspective things and some free things that I got going and some things I'm trying to give away. So please wait to the end of the video, as you don't want to miss anything. So let's see how this week has been going. The last couple days. Today I have two different sales. I've been getting sales all week, no 0 days, and that's what we like to see, no 0 days. As long as I'm getting a little something every day, I feel good. Okay, that's what we want. We want different little hustles that pay us every single day, and that shit add up. A little money here, a little money here, a little money there, and we put it together. Okay, so that's what we like, no 0 days. So, like I've been saying, I've been charging a lot more for my shirts. And as you can see, I'm already have about as half as money as I had this month from last month. Since last month I only made 110, and now I got about $43, almost $50. Um, and just on a perspective thing, and this is why it's so important to have, a community of people that are doing the same thing, is because you guys get to, bounce stuff off of each other. So me and my friend were talking, and I was telling her that, since I've been charging more for my shirts, they've been selling more. And so we got to talking about it, and I wonder if Amazon will promote your short more because it's more expensive. And I don't know if you noticed, but the more you charge for your short shirt, the more Amazon takes. So that's just a perspective thing. We were talking about it. I don't know if it's true, but just something to think about. Which I'll show you guys. Like, okay, say we charge 13.07 for a shirt, right? We get $0, but we charge 19.99. We get like $5.23, and that's a lot more. If you subtract that from 20, that's a lot more than 13.07 that Amazon would get. So that's just another thing in perspective. The simple fact that Amazon what the fuck do you call it? Recommends that you charge 19.99. So, just another perspective thing, but a lot of people like to do 13.07 because of the simple fact that when you go on Amazon.com, you're on the first page if you put lowest prices, and you're going to be on the first page when you put new products. So, just a perspective thing. Like I said, what I love about merch is I'm gonna always keep testing things and testing things. Whatever works for me, I'm gonna stick at that. Okay. So I only made $2.90 today. This is my number one seller. Not my number one seller when it comes to royalties, but number one seller when it comes to items. I think I sold about 100 of these shirts. One word text. This is the shirt that keeps my account going. If I'm having a bad day, I can count on this shirt to sell. Okay, so sometimes it only takes for you to find 2-3 good designs, and those hold your account over. So let me show you what's been going on this month. Well, actually, I'm gonna show you today. Actually, let's just go to this month. Fuck it. Analytics. This month. Boom. So it's been pretty consistent. The first is the only day I haven't had a sale. So hopefully I ramp up, have a couple 5-7 days, and I feel like these next 2 months are gonna be my breakout months. And then I'm so ready for Christmas. I'm already strategizing on what I'm doing for Christmas. So you guys make sure that you guys plot on these holidays before they're right around the corner, okay? So that's how you dominate. So let's show you guys this. No returns, 2 a day, blah blah blah. You guys can see all that. Um, so I've only been selling standards. I've been going through and deleting all of my other products pretty much, so I don't have that many other products besides standard. Probably a good 60 of them, and before it was like something ridiculous. I don't even remember. So I've been knocking shit out, getting shit done. Um, just trying to get ready for the new dashboard. Actually, right now, can you drop in the comments if you got the new or the old dashboard? If you're in what tier you're in, also just trying to see um, how many people have got the new dashboard or they still got the old one. So yeah, so 15 standards I sold this month, 2 phone cases, which is starting to be new for me that I'm actually even selling them because when I first started merch, they they were never selling for me, so I never uploaded them. But testing things, right? Um, this month I've been getting more women fit types because this new niche that I'm in is kind of on the women's side. I mean, men could wear it because it's kind of a unisex thing, but it's still more on the feminine side. So it's been interesting finally getting women fit types to sell. Black is always number one top color, period, every time. And a little bit of everything else too. Um, I usually sometimes when I upload stuff, I only do one color, but if it's a certain design where I feel like they would want to buy more than one, then I put all of the colors that would go good with that. Like all of my evergreens that are like certain like job titles, those ones I put hella colors because sometimes I get people buying 5 of them at a time with a different color. You know what I'm saying? So just a thing to think about. Um, let's see. This is my number one seller. This one's kind of low on my royalties because I always tell you guys it's very simple. Um, this one was my old number one seller. Let's see. And all the rest of these are in a new niche that I've entered. You can see, I'm 18.99, 18.99, 18.99, 17.99. So I've been doing in the range between 17.99 and 19.99 because we trying to get more royalties. Now I ain't worried about no tier ups. I'm already waiting for a tier up. So whenever they do a tier up, I will be in tier 1,000. I'm way over the threshold for it in every form. So just waiting on that. And these are just new stuff that sold phone cases, phone cases. Um, I haven't dealt with phone cases enough to kind of know what I should be charging for them. So I'm kind of testing some things out. So yeah, you guys drop down in the comments how much you guys charge for your phone cases. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much today. Um, today's kind of boring. Um, only sold 2 things. It's the same shirt. But this is what I'm talking about. This is one of those designs that is an evergreen and it's an occupation. So I put in a bunch of colors. This person bought 2, black and cranberry. So that's just an example of why I do that. Some people think, oh no, you should only put one color or you should only put 2 to 3. Um, yeah, maybe for certain things that don't look good on other shirts, but when it's these types of things that are occupations that people wear to go on a gig or people wear to, stuff like that, then you want to put a bunch of colors because they'll probably get one just to match their outfit for that day. So, just a thing to think about, just a perspective thing. Um, Well, last thing. So I'm putting a video out today. I don't know if I'm putting out this one first or the other one, but I'm doing a giveaway. So let me show you that right now. So right now I have a font pack up, and I'm giving it away free for the first 100 people. So the discount code, if you want this, the discount code is free shit. We love free shit. Gotta have free shit. So I felt like it was fitting. So if you just go on my Gumroad, I'm definitely put links in the description, so it's easy for you guys to find. But if you find this font pack of the month, this is what it will look like. And just put in the discount code free shit, and it'll give you 100% off, so it'll be free. And then another giveaway that I'm doing right now, or another thing that I have for sale plus a giveaway, is this right here, 229 vector pack. And this is what it will look like when you get on my Gumroad. This is what it will look like. So this one right here is $19.99 for 229 vectors. It'll definitely help you guys out, designing, making things more efficient, cranking out way more designs, stacking up your library. So this is the thing that I'm going to be doing every month. I don't see any channels doing this. I may be wrong, because I don't even watch nobody else's channel no more, really, because I want to be original. I don't want to go watch your channel every single day and bite off the shit that you're doing. So since I've been doing this, I haven't really been watching like that. There's only a couple people's channels that I will watch every now and then, but now that I kind of know my shit, I don't really do that, because I want to stay original on my channel. So this is the vector pack right here. It's up for $19.99. But I have a discount code for you guys for this, and it'll be 50% off. So the discount code is mymerch420 with the numbers 420. Because I love smoking weed, so I just did it like that. Whatever, 420. My merch 420. So I'm gonna put that down in the link. In the description, so you guys can have the link, and just go crazy, man. Just go crazy, cause like I said, there's 229. I think that's at $20. I think it's like 8 cents a design, and at $10 like 4 cents. So it's a no-brainer. So just go out here and grab this, stack up your library and stuff. So there's that. Let's get back here. But yeah, man, that's all I got for this video, man. You guys have a blessed day. Make sure you guys hit that sub button, comment, give me feedback, let me know what other type of videos you guys want, things and different products that I can push to you guys that will help you guys out tremendously, like the vector packs and the fonts and stuff. So just let me know what I can do to help you guys on your journey, and you guys just hit that sub button and help me out on my journey. But yeah, that's all I got for this video. Till next time, man.